Hello everyone, welcome to Chill Chapters. Today, we'll be discussing In Speech to the Second Virginia Convention by Patrick Henry. Let's begin. In Speech to the Second Virginia Convention, Patrick Henry urged the delegates to take immediate action against British rule. He argues that war is inevitable and that the colonies must fight for their freedom. Henry emphasizes the urgency of the moment and the dangers of inaction, concluding with his famous declaration, "Give me liberty or give me death." And here's the analysis. The speech explores themes of freedom, courage, and resistance to tyranny. Henry uses rhetorical devices such as repetition, parallelism, and emotional appeals to persuade his audience. The tone is passionate, urgent, and persuasive, inspiring listeners to take decisive action for independence.